What if I told you that one of the most powerful healing peptides we use today is being wasted by 76% of people who take it? Hi, I'm Dr. Will Haas, and today we're settling the debate about BPC-157 once and for all, oral versus injectable. Now, maybe you've heard injectable BPC is the way to go, or maybe you've been told oral version is just as effective, or maybe you're wondering if any of it actually works. Well, here's what most people don't realize. It's not just about which one is better, it's about when and why you should use each form. And if you get this wrong, you might be throwing your money down the drain, barely getting any benefit, or worse, missing out on the real power of this incredible peptide. Today, we're going to break it all down. When oral BPC is actually superior to injections, why some people see insane healing results and others get nothing, and how we've used BPC-157 at Vive Wellness to help patients wean off medications, avoid steroid injections, and even dodge knee replacements. First things first, what even is BPC-157? It stands for Body Protection Compound 157, which sounds like something out of a Marvel movie, but it's actually a peptide naturally produced in your stomach lining. That's right, your body already makes it. And scientists discovered something wild. This peptide has powerful regenerative properties. It speeds up healing in tissues, joints, muscles, and even the gut. It fights inflammation at the cellular level, and it enhances blood vessel formation, meaning better oxygen and nutrient delivery to damaged areas. So naturally, the next question was, what happens if we take more of it? Well, that's where things get controversial. People assume that injections are always better than pills because they bypass digestion. And that's true for a lot of compounds, but with BPC, it's not that simple. Oral BPC-157 is great for gut health, especially if you have IBS, Crohn's, leaky gut, acid reflux, or ulcers. Oral BPC is a game changer. Because it's naturally produced in the gut, the oral form has a direct impact on the stomach lining. Injectable BPC is best for injuries or joint repair. If you're recovering from surgery, a torn muscle, a ligament injury, or chronic joint pain, injections are your best bet. They bypass the gut and get into your systemic circulation, allowing the peptide to reach injured tissues faster. Now, here's the mistake most people make, thinking you have to inject it at the injury site. You can, but it's not necessary. BPC works systemically, meaning even if you inject it subcutaneous into the belly fat, it still travels to areas that need repair. So if you've been stabbing your injured knee thinking it's the only way to get results, you might be overcomplicating things. Here's the crazy part. BPC-157 doesn't just heal tissues, it detects where damage is happening. Think of it like a heat-seeking missile for inflammation. When you get injured, your body sends out distress signals, cytokines, inflammatory markers, oxidative stress responses. BPC picks up on these signals and rushes in to do damage control. And here's where we've seen real-world proof at Vive Wellness. Patients completely recovering from rotator cuff tears that should have required surgery, clients with chronic knee pain who avoided knee replacements, even people weaning off long-term medications for gut disorders just by using oral BPC. Now, here's where people run into problems. There's a lot of sketchy sources out there selling peptides that aren't pure BPC. Some contain contaminants, heavy metals, or fillers. Others are underdosed or not even BPC at all. That's why it's critical to get your peptides from a reliable source that provides pharmaceutical-grade purity and proper testing. As access to compounded BPC-157 has become more difficult, science have developed alternative peptide sequences that mimic its healing effects. One of the most promising is pentadecacetate, a modified version of BPC-157 designed to retain its tissue healing and anti-inflammatory properties. While research is still emerging, early results suggest similar benefits for joint repair, muscle recovery, and gut healing. All right, let's talk dosage, because taking too little won't work, and taking too much is a waste. Oral BPC-157, oral BPC for gut health and inflammation control, 500 to 1,000 micrograms per day, taken on an empty stomach for best absorption. This is best for IBS, leaky gut, ulcers, acid reflux, and gut inflammation. Injectable BPC, between 300 to 600 micrograms per day, typically for 4 to 12 weeks. Subcutaneous, under the skin injection for full body healing, intramuscular injection near the injury for direct repair. Always use sterile technique. Wipe the injection site with alcohol, wash hands, and rotate injection areas to prevent irritation. For serious injuries or surgeries, combined oral and injectable BPC can accelerate recovery. And if you're serious about optimizing healing, don't just use BPC. Stack it with TB500 or stem cells for next level recovery. Important note, BPC increases angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels. That's great for healing, but not ideal if you have active cancer. So talk to your doctor before using it. So, should you be using BPC-157? If you're dealing with gut issues, chronic pain, or injuries, absolutely. Just make sure you're taking it the right way. If you want to get real results, hit the link below and book a consult at Vive Wellness, and let's get you on the right protocol.